Hi, it's Tommy again from the book of Explorational Journeys and the Self-Help Guide Part 1. We're almost at the end of our next chapter. I think there's maybe one or two activities to go. And this chapter is I Realize I Was Enough. So we're on to activity 7, which is about strengthening your self-acceptance. So, activity 7, your inner child connection. Goal: reconnecting with the unfiltered version of yourself. Steps: reflect on a time in childhood when you felt truly yourself. Step 2, write a letter to your younger self, celebrating their authenticity and resilience. Step 3, comment to one activity this week that your inner child would love, like drawing, playing outside, or sport. Reflection: how does it connecting to your inner child deepen your self-acceptance? So don't forget to click like and subscribe at the bottom, and it'll be great to hear all from you soon. Bye.